To leave Belgrade, we first had to cross the Sava and then fight our way through the center. It wasn't particularly bike-friendly, but we knew that we wouldn't expect the same bike path in Eastern Europe as in Germany. As soon as we left the busy roads, the official Eurovelo 6 continued on the grass. A much bigger problem for us, however, are the stray dogs. They get together and keep attacking us, so far without any serious consequences, but we are still afraid of them. To defend ourselves, we equipped us with treats, pepper spray, stones, sticks and even a children's pistol. After everything we have heard and read, this issue will follow us for a long time on our trip. Before the Danube flies into the gorge in front of the Iron Gate, it looks like a large lake or even an arm of the sea. Incredibly large. It has been quite cold until now, and we often had to fight headwinds all day, and sometimes even rain. Now the sun is finally coming out and the temperatures are rising. This makes the tour a lot more fun.
Everybody's chasing fast, they wanna be that someone on the screen at last. They ain't looking inside for their needs in life. They wanna be like by everybody in sight, but trust me, being
here at the Iron Gate, we have to go through more than 20 tunnels and climb several meters in altitude. The tunnels are often only short, but still a new experience. Turn on the lights and get through as quickly as possible.
I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive?
At the most beautiful spot, about 150 meters above the Danube, I get a flat tire. Otherwise, we take it easy, enjoy the routes and the weather, take breaks and still manage to complete our day's stage. So we even have a little time here in the late afternoon to fly our drone and take a few pictures of this beautiful section of the Danube.